Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to do an unboxing with y'all with a box that I just received from one of my favorite companies. So this company, if you could tell by the thumbnail, I just became a brand ambassador literally like a week ago, and I just received my first box. But I've been using this products, well, their products, a couple of times on my channel. So I just received the first box as an ambassador, and this is the box right here. So it is from TGIN, also known as Thank God It's Natural. So it came in this nice, pretty white box, and it just has the logo on it. And so I didn't get a chance to open up the box yet, so I am excited to open it up with y'all to see what's in this box. This is my third time actually getting like boxes from companies. So yeah, so I kind of want to like start doing that on my channel. Like if y'all wanted to watch me do unboxings, you know, just let me know if you do down in the comment box below. If you don't really care for unboxings, also let me know in the comment box below. I know I like to watch unboxings, but I don't know what y'all like to watch on my channel. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up this box. I got my scissors with me because it is sealed. So let's see what's in the box. Okay, oh, okay, that's cute. Okay, so once you open up the box, it does says TGIN Beauty Ambassador. And right here, it just says congratulations on being considered for the TGIN Beauty Ambassador program. And just have like some instructions in here and a little welcome card, which is cute. Also, they have, this is another card, and this also just says, okay, stay styled and frizz-free all summer long with TGIN honey whipped hydrated mousse. And I have this mousse already. Infused with raw honey and agave nectar. So pretty much just telling me what's in the box. And this is what's in the box, which is funny. Let me just organize it a bit. So these two products are in the box. This first product is a product that I have already used on my channel, and it's gonna be most likely the video before this one with my perm rod set that was low-key a fail, but kind of not a fail, I don't know. But this is the TGIN Honey Whipped Hydrating Mousse. And so this is what the mousses look like. And just to show y'all, like I really did purchase the other one on my own. Let me go get it real quick. Okay, so this is the one that I use on my own, and you can see that I use, where can you see that? Okay, so you can see I already use like a good bit. It's already like to right here if the camera like, you know, wants to focus. But so I guess now I have two of these, which is nice because I actually do like this mousse. I only used it one time on the perm rod set that I did in my previous video, and I just like the fact that this mousse is really like super duper moisturizing, and like literally when you put it on your hair and try and do a perm rod, flexi rod set, whatever, like it really feels like as if it's turned into a cream. Like it's so creamy, and it's not like, I don't know, it doesn't feel like other mousses that I've used before. So I really do like this mousse, and it left my hair super duper soft, no type of strong hold or anything like that. So the next product in here is this miniature bottle of the green tea super moist leave-in conditioner. Now I never used this leave-in conditioner before. I actually bought the, what is it called? I think it's like the Repair X, I can't remember, but I used it in my previous video when I did the not flexi rod set. I did it in my previous video when I did the perm rod set, but it wasn't with this green tea one. And I actually did want to use the green tea one, but the only reason why I didn't buy it is because it didn't have like the little pump like the other leave-in conditioner. But I do want to try this, so I'm definitely going to do another style with the mousse and with this leave-in conditioner. And this is so cute. This is like a little travel size that I can use, you know what I'm saying? Even though, you know, I'm never going to do my hair on the go, because if I'm traveling, boo, I'm having a protective style. But, so yes. So yeah, so these are the two things that I did get inside of my first brand ambassador box or beauty ambassador, which I do love because it's already a product that I do love. So yeah, so if y'all want to see me do more unboxing with PR boxes or ambassador boxes, please just leave that in the comment box below. And if you don't, just also let me know. But you know, assist still may do it, you know, depending on how I feel. But you know, I do listen to y'all a lot. I really do. And y'all see me, I always comment back to y'all because you know, I just love engaging with my audience. You know, like y'all really do mean a lot to me. But so yeah, so I'm just so happy to become an ambassador with TGIN because I love to be like, I always want to work with companies that I actually do like, you know what I'm saying? Like, no one wants to be like an ambassador or like promote a company that they do not like, you know what I'm saying? I'm not like that fake type of person. Nah, I'm not gonna do it. If I don't like something, you probably ain't gonna see it. And if I don't like it, I just may tell you, like, you know, I don't like this certain thing about the product, whatever. But I'm not gonna sit here and be like, oh my gosh, this product is so good, and then you never see it again on my channel, or like you just, you know, I'm just lying to you. You know what I'm saying? I mean, you're not gonna always see the same products all the time on my channel because it just gets kind of redundant, you know, for you. But I mean, I do use the product all the time, so. So if you did enjoy this video, go ahead and give this video a nice thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit that bell button next to the subscribe button so you're notified every single time when I post a new video. Thank you guys. Hope y'all enjoyed.